non-cyclic electron transport system and photophosphorylation. Non-cyclic electron transport system and photophosphorylation. See children, it is the diagram of non-cyclic electron transport system including electron transport system of cyclic. Now first we discussed about the non-cyclic electron transport system. In non-cyclic electron transport system, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Two photosystems are involved in the non-cyclic electron transport system. The photosystem 2 received low wavelength of red light and photosystem 1 received high wavelength of red light. Now before the receiving of photon energy by the photosystem 2 or reaction center 2, near these photosystem 2 or reaction center 2, light harvesting complexes are present. The light harvesting complexes traps the sunlight, traps the photon energy. That photon energy pass to photosystem 2. At the same time, oxygen evolving complex helps in lysis of water molecule and released protons, electrons and oxygen gas. It present near the photosystem 2. Oxygen evolving complex in presence of light harvesting complex, water molecule is lysed and to released two protons, two electrons and oxygen gas. This method or process is called photolysis of water. By the photolysis of water, protons are released in the lumen of thylakoid and oxygen gas released in the lumen of thylakoid, and electrons are passed to manganese protein. From the manganese protein, electron pass to reaction center 2. At the same time, light harvesting complex 2 received photon energy and it passed to complex 2 or reaction center 2. By the receiving of photon energy, the photosystem 2 is excited and the electrons are passed to pheophytin to quinone to electron pass to plastoquinone. If electrons are passed to plastoquinone, the plastoquinone received two protons from the stroma of the chloroplast. When it received protons, the plastoquinone received two protons from the stroma of chloroplast. At the same time, the plastoquinone received electrons from the quinone. It converts into plastoquinol. Plastoquinol contains two protons and electrons. Protons are passed to lumen of thylakoid and electrons pass to cytochrome F. Electrons are passed to cytochrome F. Electrons pass to plastocyanin from the cytochrome F. From the plastocyanin, low level of or low energy of electrons pass to reaction center 1. These electrons are first released by the photosystem 2, and that electrons are passed or carried by the electron carriers, and finally that electrons reach to another reaction center. Another reaction center means photosystem 2. So this electron transport system is called non-cyclic electron transport system. If non-cyclic electron transport system, if the low level of electrons received by photosystem 2 at the same time near these photosystem 1, at the same time near the photosystem 1 light harvesting complex 1 is present. The light harvesting complex received photon energy and it passed to photosystem 1. At the same time the photosystem 1 is excited. From the photosystem 1 electron passed to iron sulfur protein and is passed to ferridoxin. The ferridoxin containing electrons, that electrons are passed to stroma of chloroplast. That electrons are mainly helps in NADP plus convert into NADPH. NADP convert into NADP plus convert into NADPH. NADPHs are synthesized by the receiving of electrons from the ferridoxin. See, first electrons released from the photosystem 2, and that electrons carries by the electron carriers, and that electrons reach to the photosystem 1. From the photosystem 1 that electrons reach to iron sulfur complex and pass to ferridoxin and pass to stroma of chloroplast. That electrons are mainly helps in formation of NADPH. NADP plus convert into NADPH by the electron energy. During these transportation, non-cyclic transportation of electrons, stroma protons are passed to lumen of thylakoid. Stroma protons are passed to lumen of thylakoid by the cyclic electron transport system and non-cyclic electron transport system. Stroma protons are passed to lumen of thylakoid. In thylakoid lumen, the concentration will high, the proton concentration will high by the electron transport system. These protons are high concentration protons are moves to low concentration. Moves to low concentration means moves to stroma of chloroplast. But the thylakoid membrane is not comfortable for the movement of the protons. Only in thylakoid membrane, the specialized parts are present. They called ATP synthase or coupling factors. ATP synthase or coupling factor. High concentration of protons moves from the low concentration through the ATP synthase. If three protons are moves from these coupling factor or ATP synthase, that three protons are mainly helps in the synthesis of one ATP. Synthesis of one ATP in presence of three protons energy. The three protons energy helps in the ADP bind with one inorganic phosphate to form ATP. Three protons energy. Three protons energy, not two protons. Three protons energy helps in the synthesis of one ATP. Finally, in non-cyclic electron transport system, end products are NADPH, ATP, and oxygen gas is evolved in the lumen of thylakoid. These are the end products of cyclic non-cyclic electron transport system.